I can't. Well, we did pass the pig. Hardest part 12. Second hardest part. There's one thing harder that I've never done. Thank you. I already had one. Why didn't I use it? I always forget I have those incendiaries for some reason. No, you're stupid. Oh, you nugget, you're stupid. I am over smart. See, look, I shoot him in the face as I miss 5 shots in a row and stare her in her loving eyes and see as she strangles me. They're in here, aren't they? I can't see the hands. I can't really do the thing. I should have. Wait, are the zombies? What are the zombies doing? Is he actually? Oh, holy crap! Oh no! There's goes Jim's shoe. There goes Jim. Get him, Jim's shoe. Go get the snowman. Jim's shoe gave up. Jim's shoe gave up. Oh, this finicky car. Oh shit! Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no, rip me! Ah! Yes, go, 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 you can do it! You can do it, damn it. The Hobomobile has fallen. No, don't, damn it! Oh fuck. There goes my car. Lantern. I need a fucking lantern. So there's either the game scanning me, or there's one necromancer just left somewhere. I think the game's just scanning me. I think this goes to a Black Knight, I think. Yes, of course it does. Of course it goes to a Black Knight.
The chef can finally come true. Right, Wobble Bell? Look what a tasty meal. No puppy. Holy crap, I can kill Puppy. I can kill, yes. I can kill Puppy. I killed Puppy.
And I decided, fuck it, Hi, bird lady. How are you? You staring at bird booty over there, Dragon Man? Staring at bird booty. Dragon. Bird. Dragon. Bird. But, I had to get past the bird booty to get over there. Oh, can I go this way? Yes, I had to get past bird booty. Yep, I have to go past her. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Don't you wish your problems that easy to solve? Just grenade. You throw a grenade into a place and all your problems in the world are just solved. I do. I wish it was. Yeah. Oh, this finicky car. Oh shit! Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no, rip me! Ah! Yes, go, 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 you can do it! You can do it, damn it. The Hobomobile has fallen. No, don't, damn it! Oh fuck. There goes my car. Ah. Hello. Actually, you can't go anywhere. You're down. You're going down. Okay. Okay. Ah, that was fun. Okay, hold on, I got it back. So when it's sitting in the first area, we're going to pick off the regenerator. We'll pick off the regenerator a little bit, and then as soon as they grab Ashley, we go past it, we grab the shotgun, and we blow the guy off. That sounded very wrong. Don't take that out of context. Anyways, on my face. You're happy now. Are you? Yes. Are you satisfied now? Alright. Well, I'm gonna go back to...
I was like stuck in the table. Now you're stuck.
Oh, damn it.
This is the stream now. Enjoy.
Oh, you get to see me fapping it.
I mean, I got all day. Such oogles. I'm not done with you yet. Such
Damn it.
oogles.
Oh, okay, so I guess I'm done fapping now.
Let you out, otherwise I'll just keep you there.
Yeah.
Oh, party room,
Fun! We found fun! Get your ass up there! Oh no, it's just this room. Why did Blood just get killed? I think Blood just
coming
died.
from behind.
Oh.
Fun!
Like ladder.
I don't care, we got fun.
What is that?
I'm fucking dead.
It's a spider.
I think fucking Baz needs to click the fucking thing.
Pick what?
Click the ladder.
Okay, picking the ladder.
Or try go up the ladder.
I can't, we have fat bastard in here.
First.
I can't. Oh, what? We have to go. Now it's actually the exit? Okay.
Yes, I said that's why I told you to go up the ladder. That's why I moved out the
I
way.
my thermometer. That's all I care about.
Son of a bitch.
Yes, it's party! It is party time!
I can't wait to get fucking ripped apart. Oh, they're gonna tear us into an asshole.
I don't know why you jumped that. Yes. She gets to live. She may be funny. She gets to live. Ah, Nimsy! Hello! Oh no, it's Mason TV. There we go. How you doing, Nimsy? Also, there are two notes there. Gives me an idea for my... Hold on. Oh, what the... Okay, just came in and got shot. Greetings, we're back with some more game dev. Really, I'm just gonna jump right on into it. I'm not gonna waste time for this one. Let me just turn some music on, say my typical introductions to my various friends here. This is the bar. Hello, bar. Hello, bar. Hello, bar. That's a word now. Hello, bar. And hello, Jagger. Welcome. Welcome back to Hell. How are we doing here today? Today we are working on menu buttons. It's not just all. I'm just making basic placeholders. I'm mainly here because it's quicker for me to do it in a sprite than in the custom sprite maker. And there. Okay, so let's get it going here. So let's do. Let's see, how many buttons do we have for main menu? We have. One moment, let me get a thing here. How is everybody today? How's the lovely Ghosty? How's the lovely Jagger? We have a new game, continue button. How's Vas today? I am great. I am making a lot of progress on my game. I'll be on VR Shadow Ruby later today. Which will be a smooth night. Unfortunately, I have duties tomorrow, which will always suck. Additional Wi-Fi, it seems to be working now. There you go. You know what? Actually, no, you know what? It's kind of pointless for me to do this here. I'm not gonna worry about it because we just need functional buttons. I can just move them around if I need to. So it's okay. They just need to be functional. I'll worry about the alignment and stuff later. I just need them to work. Because I don't know exactly how I want my main menu to be. Let's see here. Where was I? Yes. Edit image. Edit image. We need extras. Right, we need new game button. Now back to my little art stuff from yesterday. Did you already show me the art stuff? Sorry if my memory is a bit foggy. I've been drinking all freaking weekend. Sure. Go ahead and show me. One moment. How being annoying. Alrighty. We have little buttons here. Give me one moment. Let me switch over to chatting for just a second. One moment. Okay, there we go. Now we switch back. Alrighty. Alright, so we got all these little sprites going. Now let's go make the objects. We got a monster object, so we need a create group, buttons, create another group, main menu, create another group, pause menu. Menu settings. Honestly, I could potentially repurpose this for both main menu and the side menu, but I'll worry about that later. We'll just keep them separate for now. Should be synced. Let's see. Getting a new character design, I see. Yes, Jagger, enjoy your little lurk. There's a lurking Jagger. Ah. Let's see here. Alright, so we have all these. We need more object buttons. We have continue, exit, new game settings, create, object, extras, menu extras. Anything else we need? Settings. Custom. Oh yes, we need a custom night button. Create. Object. Menu. Custom. Night. New redesign, you're adoring it. Ooh. Your redesigns always tend to be adorable, Ghosty. I don't think you can avoid it. You can't avoid it, Ghosty. You always have to be adorable. It's your curse. It is your curse. That is the continuous track. The custom night. I don't have. I do. Why did it not take it? Did I put the wrong one in? I did. God damn it. Here. Extras. Please, I'm not gonna go too crazy about these. I just need to get these sprites in to get them functional. Here. Alrighty. So now we have all these. Let me close out these workspaces here. It'll close. There we go. Close out all these sprites. Here. Alright, so we are at main menu here. Let's open up the workspace. Let's go ahead and pull all these buttons out here. Now, these are not exact, of course. I just have these for functionality purposes. I just want to get the code in. And of course, I do not have space. So I've got to finish drawing. Alright, Ghosty. Finish your little drawing. We still put little extras and stuff here. It's not too big of a deal. Settings. Now this isn't exact, obviously. If I hit play, does it go straight to here? Okay. Let me go to new game. Let's press room, go to game. So actually we should be able to just go ahead and move this house thing over here. So we can remove this test room pretty much. The test room. Alright. So now when if I hit it, I should do this. It should take me to the game when I hit new game. A little small. Alrighty, let me check some things here. I need to edit options, windows, graphics, start full screen, fly. Okay, now let's start the game. I also looked at our finish drawing. Alright, Ghosty, I need to see the drawing. Alright. So. Alright, room, go to. We need to go to main menu. Save, so now we should be able to go between menus. Alright, so I just need an exit. Okay, close the game out. Close. Let's get an exit going. Menu exit. Add event. Mouse. Left pressed. Game. End. So now if I hit it and I hit the button, it should end the game. There we go, ends the game. Okay, let's also go ahead and I need to edit some things in the window settings. Let's not start full screen, let's do full scale. Fly, okay. F5, maybe it'll do full scale. No, it does not. I want it to start maximized, is what I want. Hello, Kinky, welcome. Are you new here or do I know you? Because I got a lot of people to pop over from Twitch nowadays. Nice, welcome to hell. How are you? How are you? Now, how do I make this to where... I want it to open... Well, let me check something real quick. Let's see here. I'm good, I'm good. Oh, so you are definitely new here, kid. Welcome. I am working on video game. It is a FNAF-inspired game. Mechanically inspired. It doesn't actually have, like, FNAF animatronics or anything. You know, you're at the camera, you manage monsters, try not to die, basically. Alright, I guess we might have to start full screen. It's probably gonna make things, because I don't see an option to have it start maximized, which can be a problem. So we will have to do start full screen. I might have to open up Zordia and see how he does it. Because he does Game Maker. So we start out here, new game, we do a little game, we can pause. Go back and exit. Alright. So there is a problem I have, I don't know what is causing it because it wasn't happening earlier. Where if I hit pause, the first time I hit pause it doesn't register it for some reason and I have no idea why. Really, I don't need these variables here. They can just go away. And I don't think I need these either. I'm not seeing anything that requires these. Let me make sure these aren't like built-in variables. No, so I don't need these. These are not built-in. Now what about SW? Is that anything built in? No, that is not anything built in. So we're just going to remove these. We don't need them. Hello, Visa. Hello, lovely Ruby. How are you? We're making progress on a little game. There's a minor bug, and it's not like a big deal or anything. There's a minor bug I'm trying to solve where the first time you pause the game it doesn't work, and then the next ones do. I don't know. I have no freaking clue why it does that. It confuses me. Main menu and I can exit over here. Also, let me make sure the resolution things are still following. How's my day been? I've been doing a lot of video game work and been very tired today. But it's been a normal day, nothing special. And it draws it each time, so we're good here. I may need to do other tests. Let me turn off full screen here, because for testing purposes I will keep it small. I can see my debugger as the game goes on. Bye, okay. So let's look at the other things we have to work with. I'm not going to go too crazy on settings, object. There's new and continue, which basically means I have to figure out how to save and read data. Let me think here. Let's get... I want to find out how to make the custom night commands here. Let me look something up. Wait, hold on. Can I just... Let me check something. Let me go to my main menu. Oh god, fucking Game Maker doing that stupid thing again. Oh, I gotta build and then close the game out. Alright. Let me go to main menu here. Where's my room? Main menu. Alright, so if I grab... Honestly, custom are probably easier to do before I do save load. Because I can just edit... But then again, I'd have to add more options and stuff. I stop coughing. What was I going to check? I was going to check something. Oh yes, I need to make sure. I want to see if let's do. Well, we should be editing it here. We should be editing it in here. Let's do the new game. Alright, so it goes to room. I want to do... Can I do... dot monster location equals room. I just want to test this if this works. Also room location dot let's send Medusa to the crypt. See. So when I start a new game, it should immediately send Medusa to the crypt. And if I do that, then that means I can access barriers between rooms, which makes things a lot easier. New game. Oh, it crashed. Okay, well that's a bad thing. Okay, that's an issue. Okay, can I edit the object in my assets? How about that? Let's try, instead of Medusa monster, let's do Medusa. As long as I can still access the thing here. Nope, still crashes. For object index 12, name Medusa. Let me check something real quick. Oh, let's change Medusa's activate chance. Now we're not really gonna be able to tell it. I could put a debug command to check it. Let me see. Medusa dot activate. Monster activate chance, and let's make it to 100%. But every time it triggers, Medusa is going to move. Nope, so crashes. Probably because it's not reading the object, because the object doesn't exist yet. So I have to look something up for Game Maker. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an object. A new object. Create object. Now, we can make global variables. That is another way to do it. I don't think I really want to make each individual instance of a monster global. Well, I really only have to mess with activate chance. I don't have to mess with much else. Might be like one or two little tiny things I have to mess with. Yeah, let's delete this. Hold on. Let's try changing things to global variables first, because that probably be less resource intensive. Let me figure out how do I. Hold on, let me see. Is it just global dot? Yeah, just global dot. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to go to monster here real quick. Where's monster? Right, we want to change the variables. We want to do monster activate chance global dot. Alright, so hopefully we should be able to access this here. So let me go back to menu new game. And we'll do Medusa dot monster activate chance. Oh no, Medusa monster dot monster activate chance equals 100. That's probably not how it's going to work, but let's see how it goes. And it crashes, of course. God damn it. Do I have to call the fucking thing manually? Because I'm debating on just making an object that is persistent between scenes. And just gives Medusa all the stuff that Medusa needs. Right, well, let's go. I think we're just gonna do that. It'll just be a lot quicker. I really don't want to fuck with fucking global variables. So we're gonna go to monster. We're gonna move the dot global. Save. And instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create object. Info transporter. We have info transporter. We're going to take it, we're going to put it, drop it in main menu here, right there. Info transporter. Alright, and all this thing does, it just carries variables over. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to add an event. Persistent, it is persistent. And let's see, what should we do? Alrighty. So you do a room start. If, let me check if an instance exists. Alright, if do we have to actually we only have to check one instance as long as do we have a monster instance? We don't have a monster instance. What the fuck instance is this? Oh, camera controller. Camera, don't really have to, but I'm going to name it that anyway, just because it's easier to manage. Room controls. Renaming them for ease of use. Clock. Timer. Come on, why can't I click on you? You are pause controller. So where is my... Do I not have monster? I guess not. But granted, I could check for something else instead of just monster. I could check for... If there's anything here, if there's any of these monsters are here, I should check for them. I could check for Mimic Spawner, I could check for Medusa, it doesn't matter, I could just check for any of these monsters. It's just something to say, I'd just rather not be doing checks every time. Now sure, in theory this code could error, but I can't really imagine many ways in which the player would be able to work around it. Hold on, how about check what room this is? Check room, how about that? Okay, God, okay, it's just equals room, so let's go to info transporter, if room equals game, room equals game, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do Medusa monster dot Let's do monster location. Location equals room monster. Okay, are you gonna do a thing? Monster room location dot crypt. We're just gonna test it on this one. Let's go ahead and go back to our new thing and remove the previous one. Don't need it. Save. Alright, let's load the game. Okay, so Medusa should be in the crypt. Medusa is not in the crypt for some fucking reason. Okay. So it didn't access it at all. Make sure the timer is turned off, correct? So they can't move. Timer is turned off. Yes, timer is turned off. Let me make a new workspace here. We need the object transporter. Welcome back, Ghosty. How are you? Info transporter. Fucking God, why do you do this? I'm just bored. Let me go to the main menu again. Bring that out. Room equals game. I expected me to entertain you, Ghosty. Howdy, how's it going? Good, Kyle. We worked on main menu right now. I'm trying to get it to where this room can pass on data to the next room without it going derp. Oh wait, no wonder why it's not set. Hold on, it's not set because it has to run the commands. That's why. How about this? Let's change it. What variable could we change that we would immediately know? Wait, we can change the sprite. Yeah, hold on. Medusa monster dot sprite index equals. Let's change it to debug sprite equals debug sprite. They just do with someone, but they went for a nap after service went down. But yes, welcome back, Kyle. That's unfortunate there, Ghosty. That's unfortunate. Alright, so I have a new game. Medusa should now be... Also, I don't know why my screen... Okay, it does. Okay, so it does pass information. Also, I don't know why my fucking screen is so goddamn small. Yeah, maybe need to fix that sometime. I don't know how to make... I want to make it to where it automatically... Like, I don't know how to mess with, like, resolutions and stuff. I'll have to figure it out later. Like, I can make it big. Like, it's not a problem. Like, you can hit maximize. It's just... You know... Still a bit annoying. Okay, so we can pass information by using a specific object. We could use global variables, but... Global variables are a pain in the ass when it comes to individual instances. So I don't fuck with them with this thing. But we know with this object, we can definitely... We can definitely do those sorts of things. But hold on, does it create multiple of these instances? If I go back to the previous instance? Just sit and listen to music and chill on voice chat, because why not? Oh, got you, Ghosty, I got you. Alright, anyways, but because we have this, we know it's fine. We need to check... If a copy of this instance exists, destroy it. Because I don't want it to be duplicating instances. Actually, no, I got a way to test it. If room equals main menu debug show. Or show, is it show? I always forget which one it is. Is it show debug message? Yes. Alright, save. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back and forth between main menu and here. Alright, so we go to new game. We pause here, we go back to main menu. New game, pause here, main menu. Okay, it's not duplicating. Okay, so it means there's not a duplicate. So we're okay there. That's fine. Alright. So we don't have to worry about that. If it's not main menu. And also, I do want to do an else if statement. Destroy. I just want to destroy this because if it's not anything else, there's no no, we can carry it. It's not like it's a big resource hog or anything, and it doesn't duplicate, so we should be okay with that. Okay. So, info transporter. So what I can do with this is I can put all the data I need for monster difficulty ratings in this object. Also, it probably needs another variable here. Actually, probably needs several variables. Let's add... Let's see. Okay, so one variable we need to do is... Well, do I want to do it to be multiple nights, or do I want it to be one night? That's the main question here. Because I don't know if it's going to be a game where I just have like one single night, or what. How about this? We know at least we're going to have a default story and a custom night at the very least. So we will do night. I'll just make a variable called night. And we'll make it integers. Make it 1. By default, it is 1. But it can change. And then we need Medusa, activate chance. Chance by default, it will be 50. Then we need Shambler, activate chance, by 50. And spawn, timer, setup, which by default will have 20 seconds. Then we have portal, activate chance, which again we'll just keep them at 50. Then we have mimic, activate chance, again 50. So move the spawn timer up here. So basically these are variables they access in order to say, hey, it's level 1, we're going to change the numbers accordingly. Or if you're on, if you're doing a, if you're doing like a 420 equivalent of this game, these are the settings you'll be fucking with. So the hardest possible would be all the monsters have a 100% chance of moving. And they move every 10 seconds, which is pretty insane. Honestly, I might keep it where you can only go down to 20 seconds at the hardest. And then 40, the easiest probably be like 50 seconds or 40 seconds. Perhaps. I don't know, we're kind of spitballing here. Basically, this here should be a multiplier, actually. Actually, let's do this multiplier. It'd be a lot easier to do multiples. Let's think here. If the max is 100, I want to do 20. I could just do times 20 would be the hardest. 0 would completely deactivate the monster completely. Almost completely. Which actually, by the way, it means I need to add a variable to the Medusa real quick. No, not do. I need to add a variable to this Medusa. Not a variable, but a little thing here. If I could find it. I need to find Medusa's death counter. Alright, so if attack equals true, and monster activate chance does not equal 0. There we go. This is checks, because if the activate chance is 0, then she doesn't do anything. So, this also makes it to where I don't go crazy on things. So, I would think by default to make it like maybe 5%. Default would be 5% maybe, because you know, because if it's times 20, that's 100%. And I think throughout the main game, the monster probably bounce around between like multiple into 5, up to maybe like 15 or something. Like go between like 25 to 75% if it's like multiple nights in a row. Regressive difficulty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just go to... Let's go to monsters. Let me see here. I'm going to change a variable here. Monster activate chance. We're going to change set 5. It's default for everything. Medusa and such. Get rid of that. You don't have any children. Don't need that. This will be 5 times. Actually, not in a monster. I might set that to 0. I'll debate setting that to 0. It'll be 5 times. Actually, not here. Let me save this real quick. Let me just close out my workspace. Like, grab some room. And let's bring out the info transporter. And bring up the Medusa. We have our variables here. So these should only go spawn timer setup, activate multiplier. So 20 is the highest. Let's just do 10. 10 will be the default. It's like, you know, average, you know. Average. 10. Default is 10. Which will turn it into a 50% chance of anything activating, which is already my default. And so let's see, variable definitions. We can turn off the events, we don't need events right now. Monster activate chance equals 5 times Medusa activate multiplier. Okay, so I think let's see if this works. Well, we just need to make sure it doesn't crash, really. That's all we're really checking. Just make sure it doesn't crash. Ah, it crashes. Let me try something. Medusa activate multiplier. Let's grab this. Oh, I might have to code it manually. I mean, I'll just have to put in a create statement, just say, you know, this times that equals that. Okay, so we can't do it like this. So what we need to do is we need to go into the create function. Let me see, events, create. We really don't need this. Monster activate chance times equals just activate multiplier. Save, and now let's go ahead. Oh no, damn! I forgot to put the object in there. Oh wait, no, that's why I forgot to put the. Hold on, I don't have to do it like that. Oh, we're gonna crash. It's guaranteed. Hold on, I'm an idiot. I forgot something. I'll comment it out in case it doesn't work. But no, what I forgot is I forgot to put the name of the object transporter. Is the dot object. Variable definitions times it is info transporter dot monster. Or sorry, let me just copy paste this. Make sure I don't get any wrong. Medusa activate multiplier. Right, let's try now. Alright. Alright, so we're good there. I did comment it all out. I'll worry about that later. Okay, so now we can do this for all the other ones. So we need to close out Medusa. Let's start with the Mimic. Actually, no, Mimic's different. He doesn't store the that. Here, Mommy stores that. Variable definitions. Monster activate chance is 5 times. We'll just grab this variable up here. Mimic activate multiplier. Mimic activate chance. Monster activate chance equals 5 times info transporter dot mimic activate multiplier. Save that. I'll bring up the shambler. Let's see here. Variable definitions. I don't know why does it keep bringing up the parent? I don't even know what the parent is. 5 times info transporter dot shambler activate multiplier. Alright, then we do the same for the portal. We do it with the hound. I'm still not sure what I want to do with the hound yet. It would be hard. Hound should actually be the easiest one to program, because he just pops in one location. I'll figure that out later. Is 5 times info transporter dot portal activate chance activate multiplier. Save. Then make sure nothing crashes when we move over. Okay, nothing crashes. Okay, so there's something cool I want to look at real quick. We need to look at the clock, I believe. Might be the clock. No, we have to check the movements. Check Medusa move. Yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, we don't have to worry about it because that should already calculate it automatically, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's see here. Just look real quick. Alright, so now at the main menu, if I ever make a custom night, all it does just changes the variables, or if it's counting which day it is. It changes the difficulty accordingly. Also, there is another thing I do have to do though. Let's go to clock. And spawn timer, we have spawn timer. And we want to open up, close up Medusa, close up portal. Spawn timer setup. Spawn timer will be 10 times info transporter dot spawn timer setup. I'll go multiplier. Do multiplier. And by default, for it to be 20, we'll just do times 2. Which is 20 seconds. Actually, no, let's do 3. 3 is like a good, even thing. 3 and 2 is like the default. Anything lower or higher will be ridiculously hard or ridiculously easy. Depending on all the other options. Okay. Alright, so what do we need to do now? There are counts we could do. I don't feel like doing that right now. Oh my god. Game Maker. Why do you do this? No, go away. Shoo. Go the fuck away. There. Hate when it does that. Alright, so let's see. We have an exit, that works. It's just an exit button, nothing special there. I'm not worried about extras, so I figure out what I want to do with those. The settings. Honestly, UI, in my opinion, UI is the most boring fucking thing to work on in some of the coding. It really is. UI and resolution. And just, you know, settings in general. They're the most boring but very important to deal with. And that's basically the part we're at, as we're doing all the boring shit. Like, even though art takes a while, the art can at least be fun. Let me think here. So what do we want to do next? I could go ahead and program the Hound. There's also some other mechanics. I still need to program the Mimic delay. It doesn't immediately, it's not supposed to immediately disappear. You know, that's why we have destroy timer. So let's go ahead and look at the portal real quick, because he has a very similar mechanic. Well, we don't need the death pulse, because if the Mimic gets in the main room, we can't get rid of it. End of story. It makes it visible false. Okay. Monster's not in main. If monster's visible and the wand is active, Mimic destroy timer minus equals delta time divided by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3. But Kyle, are you still there? Are you still there? Are you still there, Kyle? If Mimic destroy timer equals equal to less than or equal to 0. Alright. So what are you up to, Kyle? Just using me as your ASMR again. Your lab ASMR. Also, I have the Stinky. It is very addicting. Putting up patches, so there you go. Have a Stinky. Stinky stinks. Go stink. It's okay. I was debating on having, like, I was making a joke of doing a stream of showing my hands. And, it'd just be me messing around with the Slinky. I was debating on doing that thing. Slinky everywhere. There's all stink. Stinkies are addicting. They really are. They're very addicting. Addicting Stinkies. Let's see here. Let me think here. Alright, so how does the portal handle this? I think we just put an else statement on it, I think. Yeah, we just put an else statement on it. Else, Mimic destroy timer equals mimic destroy timer start. Alright, so now if I go to the mimic, let's go to a new game. Mess around with it, make sure it works. Oh yeah, the mimic's turned off. I gotta turn the mimic on. Hold on. Turn mimic mommy on. Actually, Medusa shouldn't kill me either. I should go check Medusa. Yeah, Medusa can't kill me. Yep. Oh, my thing was stuck on. That was weird. Well, let me see something. That's weird. Hold on, let me go back to Medusa over here. Very weird. Wait for the mimic to spawn. Show a spawn out here. That way I can test to make sure it actually do a proper countdown. I can move the timer debug. I'll have to remove that. Okay, there we go. Not working apparently. Oh no, I know why. It's hold on. No? On activate equals true. Let me see what's going on here. Go with Medusa. Wait for Mimic to spawn. Come on, Mimic. I could just set its spawn chance to 100%, but... You know, here, let's just change the spawn chance to 100%. Info transporter. Mimic multipliers to the 20, so now it should have a 100% chance of spawning whenever it does to the spawn gate. It didn't... I don't spawn... Is that the 10 or 20? I think... No, I think it's set to 20, I think, because I did change it. Okay. Now did it? The Mimic is not going away. Alright, let me put some debug code in. Figure out what the hell is going on here. Go debug message. Mimic is dying in class string Mimic destroy timer. Right, let's see. Oh, hello! I just see people. I thought you fixed the Mimic. Oh no, I'm changing the Mimic up. I make it where it's delay. It doesn't immediately disappear because that makes the Mimic very easy to find. So I had to change it. Yes, hello, Risa. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you? The hounds bark. Yes, they go very bork. They're very borky. Hold on, I do debug here. Okay, so for some reason the mimic timer is frozen. Oh, I know why. Hold on, I know why. It's because my dumbass put this in here. Let's see here. Yeah, this is why. It is I, Raccoon. Hello, Raccoon. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to Dear Lovely. Anyway, if it's no longer... Oh, no, wait, hold on. I know why. It's because I need to put it out here, not in there. How's the portal handle this? Okay. Right here. Let's just put an else statement out here instead of in there. Go ahead, Medusa. I think I have it set to like 30 seconds or something. I'll have to double check that. Yeah. There we go, now it's working properly. Alright, so we got it working. Let me check the clock timer of what its spawn check is. Spawn timer, okay. Spawn timer start is 10. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Spawn timer start is 10. Oh, no, that's start. 10 times info transfer spawn timer. What do I have the spawn timer set to right now? It is set to 30 seconds. Yeah, so 30 seconds. Yeah, that's why. And then it resets it to this, and that's why it's resetting it to a lower number. We're just gonna take this. There. Now it's fixed. Now it fixed itself. So that way the start timer naturally be consistent. Alright, so we made a mimic delay. What else do we have to do? Well, I haven't coded the Hound yet. And I'm not sure if I want to or not. So the Hound is one of the monsters that kill you in your room, but he just randomly spawns in a room. I'm not quite sure how I want to do it. Let's see. How about this? I'll go ahead and just play my game. Now, it won't be exactly accurate, because keep in mind, the mimics are obvious, plus even if they weren't, I would know. I would know what the mimics are, because I created them. So, you know. But let's go and play the game. Let's go my info transporter to adjust the difficulty a bit. Let's set... this is 100%. Let's just do 50, which is normal for this. Spawn time at 30 seconds, that's fine. It's about normal. So, let's go and just play... Oh yeah, and I turn on the thing here. And actually, I could remove these comments. And let's play the game. New game. It doesn't kill me, so I gotta watch out for that. Is the Shambler moving? Is anybody moving? Doesn't look like anybody's moving. Oh no, it's because it's every 30 seconds, that's why. Oh, we have a portal. Oh, Medusa! No, don't give me. Hold on, let me check something. I need to make a thing so that way when I'm in the game, I know when it's a game over. We'll just do something simple. Yes, I need it. That's right. I need a game over function. I need a game over function. Because debug text won't work if I'm in the game itself. Let's go to Mimic Mommy. Let's just room, go to... Let's make it shoot me to the main menu if I lose. Yeah, it just shoots me to the main menu if I lose. So it does. Copy. We want to take the clock, we want to remove this debugger. This is going to get very annoying. So the Shambler death. Away. Move in the room, go to Medusa. Medusa step command. Game menu, am I missing anybody? Do I have portal? Portal of the game menu. Alright, I think everybody has a menu command. Mimic Mommy needs one. I still haven't. No, I did check the Mimic. Mimic should have been fine. We have that. Okay, so we should be good now. So everybody has a thing. It will kick me to the main menu if I lose. Maybe be paranoid about is a freaking portal. Temple is still at his altar. Oh, Shambler's there. Oh, we have a Mimic in here. I need to get rid of Medusa. This Mimic. Remember, in the actual game, the Mimics are going to kind of blend in with the environment, so you kind of have to look for them. Sure, if you know where they are, you can pretty much just keep them stuck in the statue room and they never leave. But you won't always know. Especially if you're new. There's Medusa with the Mimic. Oh, portal, portal! Get rid of the portal. Portal's gone. Oh, look at my thing here. Mimic, so get rid of the Mimic. Actually, no, there's something I want to change. I want to change something. So, what I want to change, let's get this right here. I want to make a duplicate. We're going to take this, we're going to make it green. What we're going to do is save. Give it. And let me see here. We're going to go to Magic Wand. We want to... sprite index equals magic. Hold on. We'll rename this real quick. Active. Left release, and we want to change it back to its normal sprite. Sprite index. We've used this code later. Magic one circle. Save. Alright, let's try now. So now if I hit a right click. See, there we go. Now we know it's active or not. There we go. Okay, there's one thing I want to change with Medusa. A few things. First, I need to go to my info transporter. Maybe get rid of this here. Save. And I need to get to Medusa. What I need to do is, let me see here. On the collision. Right, we can remove all this here. We don't need it. And we can take this and we can just do monster location equals room. Oh no. Who holds that function? I don't remember. Is it room controller? I think it's room controller. Yes, it is room controller, random room adjacent. Alright. Room controller dot random room adjacent monster location. Alright, so now when we click Medusa, it should do in a random room adjacent and not just send them back to like the statue area and so forth. So let's go mess with Medusa. Fucking Medusa. And back there. No, no, Medusa won't go away. Medusa won't go away now. Yeah, okay. Also, I wonder if this will send me back to the menu. Yeah, it did. See, I died. So apparently it's Medusa's being bugged now. It should send Medusa away there, but it's not. See what's going on here. Why is it not sending Medusa the other way? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, duh, I didn't put this in, that's why. Station. That's why I didn't put these in. So how you doing, Raccoon? Hmm? Tell me about the raccoon. Send it there. Okay, did random location. Boom. 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 Holding Medusa. Boom. Boom. Alright, so Medusa works properly now. Okay, so what's next? If anything, we have to... Anything else that we have to do? What else shall we do? Let's see. We got the mimic delay. Medusa moves properly. Stamina retreats. I do want to edit something a little bit about the Shambler. We don't want to just go back to the crypt. I want to go back to either... no, we'll just have him run back to the crypt. I'm not worried about that. Okay. So what I need is some kind of animation where whenever a monster is despawned, it does... Like Five Nights at Freddy's, when a monster moves, it does a little static thing. I need something that does a weird, like, little screen thing for, like, 2 seconds when you send somebody out, like, you cast them away. So I need a function. Where should I put this function? Should I put it in the monsters? No, that'll call multiple times. Maybe a room controller? I could do it in camera controller. I think putting camera controller would be fine. Also, I think probably, let's go ahead and change these variable definitions here. Orb, camera, integer of 1. We can just remove that. Add camera state, boolean. Let's save. We don't have to do anything else there. All right. Function. Camera. Distortion. Okay. So what we need... We need something that, granted, I'm just gonna do a blank screen. It's just easier that way. But, what is this? Let's do this thing that turns this on. So let's do it turns on. Like a state called distortion. Or distorting. Make it a boolean. It's false currently. Distorting equals true. Distorting equals true. And what it does, it goes to the draw GUI event. Although I do have to keep in mind, make sure this doesn't interfere with the polls menu. I will have to worry about that. We'll try this. If distorting equals true. Actually, I might just put if distorting. I don't think I have to put true in there. Now let's make a quick sprite. Let's do... we'll just do like just a gray. We'll just do a basic gray. What's here? Create sprite. Alright, edit image. And hold on, I have to edit the size first. Rename to distortion sprite. And we're gonna make it a height 180. Hold on. Height 180 with 320. Apply. And then we're going to take this edit image. I'm gonna make it just a gray, basic gray. Nothing special there. Save. Right. So all we're going to do is we're going to draw that sprite as a GUI. So that way it just follows the player no matter where they are. They can't see anything. Well, but it's only showing the cameras though. I have an idea. We can add another thing. Let me see here. Where is my camera control? There we go. Okay. So if distorting and it's in the camera control itself actually. And camera state not equal camera state. So the cameras are not on. Now we'll just do like this equals true. Not equal. If distorting is true and camera state is true, we're just going to draw this gray box around where the player sees. So basically, if you turn the camera off, the distorting goes away, but in the code, in the step code, it should still calculate it. In the little code here that we're setting. The raccoon is tired. That means you need more bean juice. Yes, you need all the bean juice. Bored as hell right now, you need more bean juice. More bean juice. More. So what is it? What was the function? It was it layer.draw? Layer.draw? Actually, no, I have it in my polls controller. Let me check my polls controller. Where is my polls controller? There is all polls. Here we go. There's all polls. Draw sprite. Yeah, we want this one here. We named it distortion sprite. This distortion sprite. Right, it'll be 320 by 180. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, so while that's true and that, and now we want to go back to this function real quick. Equals true. We do need distortion timer. And distortion timer start. Make it like 2 seconds or something. Let's see. Distortion timer equals distortion timer start. If distortion timer is greater than or equal to 0, or less than or equal to 0, distorting equals false. Then we have distortion timer minus equals well, no, that would only trigger it each time it's called. I needed to keep looping. SB, it would have to go into a step program. Is there a while? Yeah, there we go. We had to put it in the step. Yeah, I might have to put it in the step program. I want to not even call it. I'm trying to think of an efficient way to do this. So it changes sorting to true, which draws the thing, as long as I'm not on a camera. It sets a sorting to the timer start, and if the timer is less than it goes. Well, no, we don't want this here. We want this. Yeah, we don't want that here. We want this needs to be in step, I guess. Distortion timer is less than 0. Distorting equals false. Let's do while distorting equals true. Oh shit, I didn't realize I was muted. Thanks for letting me know, Kyle, because nobody let me know. I was talking that entire time. I thought people were just quiet. Let's see. Donka, yeah, I have a hard mute button turned on. Donka, Kyle. Okay, we got all that. So we go to camera controller. Still doesn't do the fucking distortion. Alright, back. Let me use the bathroom real quick. Be right back. Not in range of a checkmate anywhere. It's also good. Oh, god. No. I forgot not to get that close to your grenade. Excuse me while I bash my head on my table. One moment. I can't. Well, we did Path of Pain, hardest part. Well, second hardest part. There's one thing harder that I've never done. Thank you. I already had one. Why didn't I use it? I always forget that I have those incendiaries for some reason. No, you're stupid. Screw you, Nugget. You're stupid. Alright, I'm back. So I'm having problem trying to get a distortion going, but for some reason it will run this entire code, but what it will not run, it just refuses to run the draw event. It just will not run this, like, at all. Let me check something real quick. Let's see. So the draw event is even triggering. So, okay, fuck it. What we're gonna do... Hold on. We're gonna take this entire thing. It's probably not gonna work because it's gonna do a double draw. But, let's see. I just want to see if it works. Just remove it from the draw function and force it to say, hey, fucking draw this. You dumbass machine. Okay, so distortion draw function entered. Okay, so it is entering it. But it's still not drawing anything. Just gonna delete this useless fucking thing. I don't get it, because in this one I just do this, but then in the other thing that draws, the pause controller, it immediately does the draw event. Like, I don't have to tell it. And it just does it. Maybe, is it drawing on the wrong layer or something? It makes no sense, because the other one isn't drawing the wrong layer. It draws right where I want it to. I just need to draw a big-ass gray box. There, distortion sprite, just a big gray box. It should just, all it does is just pop up big gray box, blocks your view as long as you're on the camera. Let me look at this fucking command here. There has to be some specifics that are just fucked up. No, it's all correct. It's just being stupid and won't run the damn draw command. Okay, so here's what we'll do. Let's just get it to work, period. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put it in the step command. So it should automatically just keep drawing. Wait, shit, I probably shouldn't do that. That could crash. I put it in the create, not the step. No, put that in the create. Don't put that in the step. Nope, doesn't do it. Let me put it in the polls. Because it just works in the polls. So let's just put it over here in the polls thing. Where's the polls? Where are you, polls? Menu. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay. So for some reason, the camera controller does not want to run this. But the pause menu will run it just fine. No issues. Ah. Let's move this from polls. Let's put it in a different step and see what happens. Let's put it in Medusa. Let's do Medusa create. Let's throw you in here and see what happens. Okay, so nothing happens with the Medusa create. Okay. There's some weird interaction with the draw thing that's just not working with me. But that makes no sense though, because why does the draw here work and the other one doesn't? Let me try something. I want to try something. So what if I go here, I make a draw command. Instance, deactivate all. True. It's gonna break my game, but I just need to see if this works. Like, is it a resource problem? The camera doesn't even... What? Well, let me move this over. What the fuck is going on here? Why is this so complicated? And it's not even... Okay, it's deactivated all this. Okay. Still doesn't do the draw. Wait a minute, why do I have two restoring true timers? I don't need that. I'm going quiet and getting to my wits' end about this fucking thing. Let's see. Didn't distort anything. Nope, doesn't do anything. Go check the monsters. Reset my work. Okay, really? Just camera controls. Close the fucking window. Why does it do this? the Shambler. Okay. I mean, I want to look this up. Why the fuck is it not drawing the object? Hmm. The group for the sprite. Let's see. Where is my sprite? Hmm. Alright, let me check something. Camera controller. Not doing it. Maybe I need to put in this raw begin. Nope, it's not doing it. I'm on the verge of just making it a fucking object. And just making it appear across the entire fucking screen. Because this is just getting ridiculous. And just make the object visible and invisible. This is getting on my fucking nerves. Let's see. And that's just not the efficient way to do it. Hello, Lord. Hello, Lord. How you doing? Good luck with the rest of the game, Dead multiple stoppers. Alright, toodles, Kyle, toodles. Hello, Ondi-chan. Welcome, welcome. I am being very frustrated right now at the code. Because it does not want to fucking work. Look at the step real quick. If the starting equals true, move this here. How do I even know if the thing's even on the screen? Let me put debug show. Hold on. Fragment accessed. Nope, draw event isn't even being accessed for some reason. I don't know why. Let me... Let me do this. Let me remove this. No, it just doesn't want to access the straw function. Wait, hold on. Are you fucking kidding me? Really? Hold on. Do like a freaking spell. Is it because I have visible ticked off? That's why. I am every fucking time with this programming, it is tiny shit like that. Tiny little shit like that that gets me screwed over. Okay, so we finally have a distortion working. So we can go over here. Go off a little bit. Alright, so now we want to add another thing. I want to add to the clock. Actually, I need to add it to the monster's spawn rate. Fuck, I need to go grab... But how are you doing, Lord? What brings you to me? That was the... function call. Actually, no, the function call should already be in here. Copy. Got that in Medusa. Get this in the Mimic. Actually, put this in Mimic mobbing, actually. Put in portal. Portal deactivate. Where is the chance timer? Where did I put the activation chance? Oh, it's in create, I believe. There we go. Put it in the shambler. Alright, so now we should get a camera distortion every time a monster moves. Oh, where? 984 Mimic Mummy. God damn it. I think I fucked up. Oh, that's what it is. Hey. Moment. I should automatically get a distortion when something moves. Good moment. Okay, that's a problem. The monsters spawn above it. Gotta think. How do I make that to where the monsters are below that draw event? Well, what if we just move... Let's move these over. And now do it. So now the monster should be below the distortion. Nope, don't want to stand there. Give them the move. I don't seem to see them. Ah, there we go, it fixed. Alright, so we got the distortion effect. I could do a game over one too, where if I get a game over, it does distortion and then does that. Let me see if I can adjust that. If distortion was false, and we need to put camera. Hold on. Controls dot distorting equals false. Actually, just go to a main menu thing, but alright, so we need to go to all the game over things. hold on. Controls dot. Why is it not? Dot camera distortion. Just copy this over. And step here. Let's see here. Copy, make sure the portal has it. Make sure the mimic has it. And make sure the Medusa has it. Alright, so let's go ahead and play it. Let's just have something cure us to make sure it distorts and then sends us into the thing. We can just go straight to Medusa to test this out. Okay, well now I'm stuck at the main menu, I guess. I need another way to do this. What happens with player dead? Clock player dead. And player dead equals false. What time it stops, that shouldn't stop it from being weird. I could set a variable within camera distortion that detects a game over. So that way it just counts it down. If player dead equals true. Yeah, that's the thing. Hold on, that's the thing I could do. Hold on. That's the thing we could do. So let's remove that. And then let's go up here to Medusa. I think we got it all. Let me double check. Got it there. See if I can get it here. Portal. Right, let me save, deal with this annoying hound. Alrighty. Hound has been yeeted out the window. Okay, so we need to go over to my camera controller. And what we need to do, if this door timer Rolling equals false, and if clock.player dead equals true, we send to the game over. Room. Is it dot go to? Go to. Yeah, room go to main menu. So now when I die, it should do the distortion, then send me to the game main menu. No, it's not doing it. Distortion times is paused. It's flipping out because the timer is paused for some reason. Why is the timer paused when the player's dead? What's controlling that? At the buttons. Do any of you all have a player dead call? Oh, you're just random room, so it's not you. If clock.player dead equals true. Okay, but then why is the thing here fucking up? What if I remove the distorting... I put the distorting force down here. So why is it not... Okay, wait, it's because something's getting reset over and over again is what's happening. And I don't know what it is. Like for some reason this here is getting reset. The distortion time's getting reset over and over. Distortion is true. But then why is it that if I get rid of a monster, the distortion works just fine? Hold on, let me change this real quick. Okay, now this is way too fucking fast. Okay. So why the hell is this one fast? Like, if I put it here, it's suddenly, like, fast as fuck. And I have no idea why. I just don't understand why in the other one... It's just fine. Because if I die... It never changes. It just keeps resetting for some reason. I have no freaking clue why. And it could be because it's looping through here over and over. It's looping through the game over and over and over again, is what I'm guessing. Shambler, make sure he's not looping. Maybe I have in the clock a player dead thing that checks all the time. The distortion time keeps looping when I die for some reason, and I have no idea why. author that equals true. We're gonna go to main menu. Distortion time never gets lower than 0, and that's why it keeps looping. Is Medusa calling the camera function over and over again? If def timer is less than 0. Alright, now let's go to camera controller. Distortion timer, distortion start. Should be okay here. Hopefully this should fix it. Because something's looping and keeps making that switch over and over again. I don't know what it is. I'm going fine here. If I go back here. Alright, it works now. It now functions just fine. So let me close out some of these comments I had. Let's put that there. That one might be useful to have. F5, yes. Alright, there is something I do need to add for the Medusa. I don't want to turn you to stone while you're getting distorted. That's kind of unfair. And camera distort false. Yeah, that way Medusa can't kill you while the camera's distorting. Which also doesn't make sense, because you can't see the Medusa, so she wouldn't be able to kill you during that. But actually, I need to turn on this debug to test it. It's a little tricky to test. I'm going for a Mimic to spawn in there, Medusa not to move. No, the Mimic will kill me before I can deal with the Medusa. I don't have an idea. But I need to turn the draw event accessed off. I don't know why that's still there. Oh, there's one more thing I do need to test though. Does the draw event stay... Okay, so we got it. So the camera distortion works. We just need to change some assets there. What I need to add now is a little button thing. At the moment. Let me see. Let me see here real quick. Alright, so the distortion completely works. We need to add a little camera thing. Ow. But I think now's a good time to stop. We made a lot of progress. I'll make a little notepad real quick of things I need to add. We need click camera controls on main game. Click camera controls, hound, monster, phantom, monster. What else? For main menu, we need custom night. We need save load states. Save load. We need settings. Starting resolution. Alright, we have a lot of things to do. Toodles mortals. Toodles, have you? Never